Believe it or not, many of us spend over 3 hours per day on our cell phones. That's totaling more than 1,000 hours per year. The posture we use while using these devices can be incredibly damaging to our bodies, affecting our posture and spinal health altogether. It's no surprise that the increasing prevalence of these habits has led to a rise in neck pain. Did you know that tilting your head forward just 15 degrees can triple the weight your neck has to support? And if you tilt it 60 degrees forward, the stress on your neck increases tenfold. Repeatedly assuming this forward head posture can lead to a range of issues, including pain, stiffness, dysfunction, and headaches. Collectively, this is known as tech neck. Now, the good news is that making simple changes to your daily routine can significantly reduce your risk of experiencing such discomfort. Now, understanding tech neck involves recognizing the strain caused by flexing the head and neck downward while using such devices. Now, taking breaks every 15 minutes to look up from your phone or tablet allows your body to reset and your muscles to relax. However, addressing tech neck symptoms goes beyond altering how you hold your phone or your tablet. Proper ergonomics, along with regular stretching and exercise, play a crucial role in ensuring that you can still enjoy your favorite devices without enduring persistent pain. If you or someone you love is experiencing tech neck and ready to take action against this, our expert team is here to guide you every step of the way.